Know all about the Telly world by subscribing to Tellychucker's YouTube channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated to our new videos. So hi guys, it's 7 p.m. and we are all set to have Mohina Kumari Singh joining us anytime now. Well, I'm excited because it's been long that I had a word with Mohina and it's gonna be fun because ये virtually हम लोग बहुत अच्छे से connect कर रहे हैं. But have you guys any fun bit for Mohina apart from basic those same questions, Rimorov and all these basic questions? कुछ मजेदार कुछ fun questions हैं जो आपको उनसे जानने हैं because I have a lot of questions for her. Hi.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I am good. I'm meeting you. After when the Telly Technical Awards.
Oh, okay. You're looking lovely.
You were in that. Thank you so much. You were in that nice pink color, light baby pink color gown of yours that I had complimented you also. I remember.
Yeah. I'm trying to remember.
You were there.
Oh, yes.
You were posting. You remember? Technical Awards.
Okay. Yes. How are you?
How are you, Mohina? I'm seeing you after ages.
I'm good and I'm fine and I'm enjoying myself and yeah.
अच्छा, how is your अभी क्वारंटाइन में इतना लॉकडाउन चल रहा है घर से बाहर तो कहीं जा नहीं सकते हैं तो कैसा जा रहा है? How are your days going?
How are my days going? They're going very, very busy.
Really?
Really. I'm keeping myself occupied. I think the best thing to do is to make a schedule at night, like what you want to do the next day. And you can fill your day with 1,000 things you wanted to do, but you never could. So it depends on you कि आप अपने दिमाग में सोच लो कि you want to sit and crib about everything or you want to make the most of what you have. So yeah.
I think that is the most positive thing जो मैंने almost हफ्ते भर के span में क्योंकि मैं खुद अब इतनी तंग हो गई हूँ घर बैठ के.
I know, I understand.
Go out and work. So I think that is the most positive thing that I've heard after a long time.
No, so the thing is, you should just learn to, how do I say, accept new things in your life. Like for example, like somebody known to my family now, like just got in touch with me and they're like, you know what, we want to really teach you singing. And I was like, no, I can't sing. I can't sing at all. But she said, no, just let me give it a shot.
Right,
I
okay.
said, fine. And so like one day we just had a session online and she was sitting in Lokhandwala, Bombay, and she was teaching me in Dehradun, and she said that you're not bad. So I just gave singing a shot, and now she said that I can sing and she'll train me. So I just said yes to that. Yeah.
So when do we come to your concert, Mohina?
Concert? No way. I'm not good at all. But she still has like hopes, and she says that I think I can manage well. So she'll teach me a few songs, maybe something you'll see soon on Instagram or something. Soon, when I say soon, I mean like a month or something. Huh? I still feel like I sound like a toad, so it's fine.
I'm sure. I think the fans can be the better judge. अगर आप अभी भी कुछ गुनगुना देंगी ना, they'll be like, "वाह, मोहिना दी, वाह."
No.
अच्छा, I think
they'll
सबसे
tell
पहले
me,
ना,
please
even before
stop
I
taking the
continue the
classes.
conversation. No, Mohina, I think even before I continue our conversation, I should congratulate you because 8 years in the industry you completed yesterday, and it is an achievement. I would say, you've had your roadblocks, but then you have had your bunch of successful years and perfect things also. Feeling कैसी है?
Feeling बहुत अच्छी है, especially now where you can sit back and take a look at all the things you've done. Because sometimes you underestimate yourself, and while you're in something, you're like, is this good enough? Is this not good? Is this okay? Is this bad? But then when I look at my journey, I just go like, wow, like मतलब किया है कुछ, like I've done something. I've tried my best. I've enjoyed the journey, and yeah, so I can give myself that pat on the back and say कि you have done your mehnat, and that's a good thing.
Okay, so you know what, Mohina, I would say कि जब हम लोग movies देखते हैं ना, तो हमारे लिए जो princesses वहाँ पे होती हैं, तो यानी कि they come from a very lavish backdrop. So imagine, coming from that level of a life, or maybe that level of a grandeur, to the part
Grandeur.
wherein you are struggling, wherein you are going for reality show ke auditions, then you struggle your way up, then you have your reality show, then you have your Ye Rishta, then you have your vlogs, then you have your fans. वो सारी जर्नी में कभी तो ऐसा होगा ना कि एक लो पॉइंट आया होगा, तब खुद को कैसे समझाते थे?
Uh, See, of course. So I'll tell you what. So when I was in Riva, obviously I was in the whole where everyone was taking care of me and everything was, about protection. And I was protected child. I was the pampered child and everything. And my mother realized that I was bullying my house help to do my homework, and and I was tiny, yeah. And so like आपका दिमाग खराब हो जाता है, when you have that kind of pampering. So my mother was like, no, 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 she has to get out of here, and she she needs to like lead a normal life to understand what life truly is. And that's why like I thank my mother for like bringing me to Bombay, making sure that I study and everything in Bombay so that I'm around normal people who don't bully their house help to do their homework and all of that. So,
Okay.
so I'm thankful to her that she very early made me struggle, like,
Okay.
because for me it was a struggle to understand this completely new life in Bombay, because I'm here in Riva or whatever, I'm used to being treated in a certain way, and then you get a shock in Bombay where you're like, who are you? We don't care who you are, you're around us, and we don't care if you're a princess, you do what we do, you know. So the reality of life kind of hit me early anyway.
Okay.
Thanks to my mother for sure. So when I hit the low point in my career, which was, I think I would say, when I was switching from dancing to acting, that is when it was a big low point for me.
Yeah.
Because in my field, in my dancing field, everyone already knew me, and it was easy to find work, get, in fact, not even find work, I would be just getting work because I had already shown my potential and all to people, and people were just like calling me and, okay, you have to do this project, this project, this project. But when it comes to acting, and I'm sure even you know this, everyone's struggling. Everyone is struggling. Even though they have a smile on their face on Instagram, they're still struggling. So, and that's the reality of it all. So, of course, when I hit the low point, I I knew one thing for sure, that I need to fight it instead of giving in to a lot of things. I knew I had to fight it to stay, and that's what I did. And I must say that comes from the childhood that was given to me by my mother. That you have to fight this fight. Not give in, not give up. And so that's where it came from. So that low point which I went through, I it was really low, but I managed. Yeah.
Well, we have seen, because 8 saal successfully in the industry is a big thing. But before we move ahead, Mohit, I'm sure you have a lot of fans, but there is one special fan जिन्होंने आपको अभी join किया है,
Okay.
and उन्होंने बोला है कि that I'm a big fan, and I think you know him also. Well, गौरव ने हमें join किया है, and गौरव ने message में लिखा है कि हाँ, I'm a big fan of yours.
Gauri!
I was just waiting when you will finish your experience के बारे में, and then I will tell you that
Yeah, I can go on. Huh?
Sorry, I didn't want to disrupt that thing, but then he's there. He said that I love you and I'm a big
Hi,
fan.
Gauri! I just put up a vlog of ours, yeah, on YouTube.
I have to go and see after this thing, because I was like, I will pay my data, because हो जाएगी, he live hang हो जाए. So I wanted to be
Where is
safe.
he? I can't see him.
I don't, I saw his comment coming in while you were talking, but then I think he's here only. Gaurav, if you're there, just send hearts to Mohina, because she is now
Oh, I
searching
found
you.
him.
You found
Please
him?
reply, ma'am. Big fan. Wow.
Okay, when you were talking about your journey, everything. So tell me something, when actually Ye Rishta happened to you. The first day
Yeah.
on the sets, when you met the cast, when you met Mohsin and Shivangi, how was the experience?
Hmm.
How was the first meet towards with them?
So the first person I met was Mohsin. My first scene was with Mohsin. He was my brother on the show. So he was very encouraging, very very encouraging, and
Okay.
in fact so encouraging. I was like, wait. I was like, too good to be true. How's that possible? Why is he so encouraging? You
Okay.
know, but no, he is like that. He is nice. He's very nice. He's very sweet. And genuinely he'll help you out if you're because first day you're always like it's very unsettling to see so many new faces, and you're put in the spot and everybody's like staring at you when you have to say your lines. It
Yes.
is unsettling no matter how big how much work you have done in life. And so it's a little unsettling, and I must say he really I was very happy I had him for my first scene. He made me feel very relaxed. Yeah. And
And then,
Shivangi for the first time when I met was a little later, when I actually went on set, because otherwise we were shooting somewhere else. She was very chirpy, very happy, very excited. But instantly she told me, "Oh, I've seen you dancing, and I think you're really good." So I was like, "Okay, fine, thank you." So that's how we started
okay,
off.
so you know what? I would personally say that मैं जब ये रिश्ता के सेट पे गई हूँ ना, तो मेरे लिए ऐसा लगता है कि कभी भी कोई त्योहार हो गया या कुछ हो गया ना, सो सेट्स लाइक ये रिश्ते ऐसे शोज हैं जहाँ पे मुझे वो फील आती है कि हाँ, like every birthday, every festival is celebrated like a family amongst the whole cast, be it the production, be it the crew, be it
Yeah.
you guys. So ऐसा कोई त्योहार या ऐसी कोई मेमोरी है जो आपको याद आती है वहां से, जो आपने सबके साथ मिलके मनाया है?
Uh, okay. So, I don't know about Tyohar, but Raksha Bandhan was a lot of fun for sure. Because then, it was very real. Because when I was tying Rakhi to Mohsin, it felt very real. So the Raksha Bandhan Tyohar was very fun because for me it felt very real. कि अच्छा हाँ ये तो सही में हो रहा है, मैं इसको बांध रही हूँ राखी, नहीं टेल मी यू हैव टू प्रोटेक्ट मी एंड ऑल. So that felt very real. Then another thing which was, I think those sequences of Karwa Chauth were Tej, sorry, not Karwa Chauth, Tej. The Tej the ones were very very nice, I think. Yeah, they used to
Okay.
be very nice. You should
So
really
then
enjoy that.
in the due course of all these things that were happening, then Remorov happened, and then you decided, finally कि मैं settle down हो जाऊंगी. You went into the arranged
Hmm.
marriage. आपके शादी की खबर
Yeah.
आई. Fans
Yeah.
had gone completely crazy. Like शादी 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 शादी. So वो वाला phase
Yeah.
कैसा था? Because fans had gone completely happy and excitement के मारे they had gone completely crazy. तो वो वाला पूरा phase कैसा था?
वो phase, actually the thing is that because it was such a personal thing, I know that the fans were going crazy, but I was going through my own things, so I couldn't, trust me, how do I say, when people got to know and everything, it was such a crazy time for me personally, and seeing the reactions from people and my family. It was a very overwhelming time for me. I used to, like, some days would just go in a blur. I'd be like, wait, what's happening? Like, I'm getting calls and people asking me so many questions and so many things. And sometimes even I would forget, like, when I met Suyash, at that time, like, things were very calm and very chill, and we were talking and we were enjoying ourselves and nobody knew anything. And I liked that time because it was a little not so crazy. you know
Okay.
because it was a little calmer, and I prefer that, because when things go crazy around me, I start going crazy. so so when the reactions I was getting, I was like, how am I supposed to react? Like, what am I supposed? People are asking me so many questions, जिसके सवाल, जिन सवालों के जवाब ही नहीं है मेरे पास अभी. Like, for example, okay, are you going to work after marriage and all of that? So I was like, okay, fine, I'm going to try. I don't know how it's going to be, because after you get married, like, I'm to shifting. I said I'm going to shift to Dehradun, so I don't know how it's going to be. So all these questions people were asking me, which I didn't have answers for, because I was like, wait, let me get married first, then I'll be able to understand, how things are possible or not possible and all of that. So, yeah, it was a very crazy time, very it was a very crazy time when
Okay, so
people
you
were
know what,
sending,
Mohina?
but they were sending a lot of love also and positivity also, and that was very nice. Because there are so many trolls and all. You have so
Yeah,
many
yeah.
trollers and all. So like 1,000 messages would be like just like, oh my god, this is amazing, ja Simran ji le apni zindagi, that kind of a thing. And the rest of them were, oh, why would you do that, or would you do this because of that, or would you do this because of that? And everybody had their own stories, like सबने अपनी stories बना ली थी और मुझे Instagram पे दिखती है. I'm like, wait, मेरी reality थोड़ी blur हो रही है because of you guys asking me some really weird questions and making up your own stories. सो बिकॉज उनको तो पता नहीं है मेरे एक्चुअल लाइफ में क्या हो रहा है. इंस्टाग्राम की एक पिक्चर से आपको थोड़ी पता चलेगा कि मेरे लाइफ में क्या हो रहा है.
Exactly.
Yeah. So yeah, that's what I was feeling.
No, but then even if I'll tell you one thing personally, till date, when my mother asks me about marriage, and she tells me that, beta, arranged marriage is gonna be really good, it's gonna commitments of families and all these things. So I'm like, mommy, I think I'll choose love. Like till date, I tell her this thing. I'm sure when you came down to Bombay and कहते ना like a girl, आपकी भी होंगी कि नहीं यार love marriage करूंगी, arrange marriage करूंगी. How did you make up your mind? Like सुयश में ऐसी क्या quality आपको लगी that you were like कि नहीं यार, let's give it a shot.
There were multiple things, and I was always. Yes, in the beginning when I was younger and stupid, I used to always think, love marriage. Okay, but the thing is that I realized when you grow older, you realize that with love, like when you call something love, कि अच्छा मैं love marriage करूंगी या करूंगा, it's like you're putting too much expectation, fictitious expectation on the other person, and giving that other person a lot of expectation for yourself. Okay, because हमारे दिमाग में when you say love, it's very Bollywood, all right, and it's very rom-com Hollywood. Okay,
Yeah.
कि ladka, ladki, sweet, happiness, everything is nice, everything is fine. But it's not like that, because what we do is, because we've seen that nice, happy, everything, whatever, at the end of the day, everything will be fine and we'll all be happy forever and ever. That is something that we kind of like throw onto our partners. And when you don't see something going right, okay, even like one thing going right, you start to question everything, and that messes your head up. I'm getting very deep into this, but
But you're
if you,
correct.
yeah, so love is what? What is love? Like, I didn't choose my mother, right? Like, I didn't go like, okay, I just met my mother and I fell in love and that's why I love her. No, I was born. My mother was there already, and I learned about her. I learned everything about her, and I coexisted with her. I saw her problems. I loved her during her problems. I loved her when she was happy. I loved her when she was sad. And same thing goes for every other aspect about my mom. I'm not gonna say one day that, okay, you know what, I don't like my mom, I'm gonna choose my mom, the one I fall in love with. You understand, there's a
Yes.
difference.
Yes.
Okay, so I'm not going to thopo unnecessary expectations on my partner, right? I was So when I met, I knew at one point of time that I will get into an arranged marriage, because uh, I knew that somebody from the industry, I had not met anyone like that who was like-minded, who would take reality as it is instead of making up a reality in your head, if you can understand what I'm trying to say.
Yes. Yes.
So I'm somebody like that, and I can be with somebody like that. So if I suddenly see this person and go like, oh my god, my heart just skipped a beat, and I fell for this guy, and then I say, okay, fine, will you live the way I live, or whatever it is? It's not gonna happen, man. These things
Yes.
are not real.
Yes.
Um, so when I met Suyash, I had met not met, I had spoken to a few people before, obviously finding finally my my husband now, because I had told my family that I want to now settle down,
settle down.
so make me meet people. And I always knew that I wanted my brother to kind of find me somebody, because I really look up to my brother, and I think he's a very righteous person, and I like that a lot. Somebody who cares about people, somebody who
Family, the
cares
people,
about family, who cares about the planet, who cares about everyone, animals. So I like that. So I knew that if he finds somebody, he'll find somebody like that for me. So when I met a few people, I didn't find that connect. But when I met my husband, it the first thing we spoke about was mountains, and that is something which is very close to my heart, because I love mountains. And he loves trekking, he loves hiking, he loves animals, and he's conscious about the planet. So these are the things that we will agree upon. So even when we have a fight or something, we'll have that thing that, okay, fine, okay, this was the problem, and we need, you kind of like sort everything out, and everything is like sorted. So I don't want unnecessary drama in my life. That. And like when we kept meeting and all, I really liked him, because he was also very like, man of few words, and I am woman of many words. So so I like that about him a lot.
But you know what, Mohina, I don't know if you realized or not, but then when in the whole conversation while you were talking about Suyash, जैसे आप normally किसी के बारे में बता रहे थे, you were like, yeah, this happened, that happened. But जैसे ही आप सुयश पे पहुंचते थे ना, so वो एक possessive streak, my husband, used to come out like, I was just noticing that like जैसे ही सुयश का नाम आएगा, maybe उनका नाम आएगा, तो he's like, my husband. I was like, oh my god, that's really sweet. Okay, so on the same note, because you are reliving a lot of memories right now with us. So I have this game called the Throwback Thursdays. So in this, I'm going to take you down the memory lane, maybe आपका पूरा journey का lane, or maybe आपकी बहुत सारी memories. So I'll have a quick bunch of questions for you.
Sure.
So the first one, your favorite childhood memory?
So I used to wake up in the morning, and my grandmother used to, she used to push me with her hand to go say, do namaste to the sun, like
Surya Namaskar.
Surya Namaskar, yes.
Surya Namaskar.
Naman to the sun. She used to say, you must do it. So I used to like that. I can never forget her hand like pushing me to go towards the sun and do this. That, and I used to steal Chavan Prash. I don't know. Yeah, that's
Do you
something
still
I
do
used to do. Yeah. Lots of other things actually. But Chavanprash, Milkmaid, I don't know, whatever I used to find in the fridge, Bonvita. Yeah. These things, and of course, bullying my house help to do my homework.
That we just
Love
got
that.
to know in the opening itself.
That time can never come back, yeah.
I'm sure. I am really sure. Okay. One prank from your childhood जिसको आप बहुत मिस करते हैं और आपने किस पे खेला था?
Prank.
Yeah.
Oh my god. What did I do? I don't remember.
कोई भी prank अपने school या college days का?
School, college. My god. I don't remember. Such a bad memory. I think, yeah. So I told my mom, that I flunked. Like, I told my mother that I failed the class and all that. So, and which was very brave on my part to say that, I failed the class, because I knew ke bahut, what do I say, बहुत डांट पड़ने वाली है. But I was like, let me just see like what happens. So I told her, and I was very surprised. Like, she was very silent. And then I was like, wait, something's about to happen. And then, like, she was silent. She went to the kitchen. She's doing something. She came back and she just went like, bah! And then I was like, okay. I was joking. Please stop. Okay. And then, yeah. So that was one thing I remember. Rest I can't remember.
One memory or maybe one such thing that has happened with you before your shooting days, like वो जो आपका audition का journey और वो reality show का journey था, उसके दौरान की एक ऐसी memory जो आज भी आपको याद आती है.
Okay, fine. I'm gonna go back to like childhood memory for this one because I had gone for Boogie Woogie ka audition.
Yeah.
And I had prepared Pia Pia Oh Pia Pia.
Oh, I know.
That one.
Yeah.
With Rani and Preeti.
Yes.
Okay, and I had thought that, oh my god, I am so good and I'm so gonna make it and I'm just the best in the world and I'm best in India or whatever. And I reach over there and I'm sitting there with like my head up high and I'm thinking that I'm just gonna kill it and nail it. And like in front of me, then one by one, you know, these tiny dancers are coming and one child is doing like, you know, Michael Jackson, and there's this other girl who's coming and doing like Bharatanatyam, and you know, they're killing it. And I am now shivering and I'm like, Mama, I can't do this. She's like, I'll go Pia Pia. Oh Pia, are you serious? In front of all those guys. So I told my mom that I cannot do this. I realized that day I am nothing and I need to prepare myself. Then my mother put me into Kathak. Like she sent me for Kathak classes. Then I did Kathak for like 9 years. And then
So
after that my journey
was like a reality check for you.
it was a slap on my face.
Okay. One memory of playing the character Kashish. If I'm not wrong.
Kirti.
Kirti, my bad.
Yes.
One memory of playing the character Kirti. वो क्या होगी जो favorite रहा हो आपका?
Too many live sessions now you're doing?
I'm so sorry, but yeah.
It's fine. Alright, so Kirti, I think Greece, yeah, I had like the best time in Greece. Kirti had so much fun in Greece. She wore such awesome clothes in Greece. And also, I think Kirti wore some really cool saris. I really liked the saris that I got.
I remember the latest wala that I was seeing that I think Diwali ki thi, kaun si thi, you were wearing this nice yellow color ka sari, you had all your hair back. I think it was Diwali
with the blue blouse.
Yeah, I love that one.
Yeah,
like,
that was my favorite.
But I can get it for myself also. Like I'll hunt it down. Okay.
That was my favorite too.
One memory, what I would say, एक ऐसा prank जो आपने ये रिश्ता के cast वालों पे खेला है, maybe मौसीन शिवांगी पे play किया है, वो कौन सा होगा?
Oh God, honestly, I don't think I do too many pranks now that I think about it. I mean, और अगर किया होगा तो मैंने मतलब गौरव, you know, वगैरह भी किया होगा. But I don't know, yeah. I don't have any pranks. I don't remember. Pranks, yeah. I've done in Remorav, na. I've done with Rishi and Gaurav. I've done pranks.
Then Remorav का एक favorite episode आपके लिए कौन सा? Fans के तो बहुत सारे favorites हैं. वो अपने लिए
favorite episode.
Yeah.
My favorite episode was of Remorav for sure. My favorite episode was the one at what is it? What is that? The Adventure Park. The Adventure Park challenge was my favorite because I was totally killing it with all the rides because I was not scared at all and I was so gung-ho about it. Like I wanted to do everything, and like Gaurav and Rishi were really like, oh my god, I'm scared of this and I'm scared of that, and I loved it. I was like, girl power. So that I really loved. Yeah, a lot.
Okay. One habit of yours जो बचपन से आपको है, अब एक तो आपने बता दिया कि आप चोरी करके खा लेते हैं, उसके अलावा जो अभी तक छूटी नहीं है.
बचपन की?
हाँ.
Milkmaid, yeah.
बस
like it? No, there's a lot.
But उसके अलावा that you already shared with us.
Okay, fine. So since the time I was a kid, I love dogs, and what I could waste nahi, I wouldn't call it wasting, but people would think it was wasting hours. I would sit with a pup, okay, and I would just I don't know what conversations I have with them through my eyes or whatever it is, but I can spend hours just sitting with a dog. And it could be any dog. My dog to some other level only. Like, I could sit with any dog. So when I was a child, I used to, if I had any problems, very dramatic child. If I, since I was since the time I was a kid, if I had any problems or if I would be crying or if somebody yelled at me or I did something wrong, I would just go and sit with my dog Pinky at that time. I would sit with her and I'd
Okay.
just like look at her and I'd like pet her and I'd talk to her, not with my mouth, through my eyes. As very dramatic. So I used to think that this dog is taking my pain away, and I don't know. It's sweet also, because till now, like if I want to like cry or if there's something, if I'm missing something or anything, I can just spend hours with a dog, and that is something since childhood I've got, and so it's something which comes from inside.
Yes.
To spend time with animals, and it could be a cow also. By the way, I've done that too. Laugh all
When
you
you were
want, but
telling
I
me
have.
your thing, that I used to pet them and used to मैं अपने आंखों से बात करती थी, मुझे मेरा ब्रदर याद आ रहा है. उसका डेली को होता था, वो एक डॉग को लाता था घर में ऐसे गली से. He used to bathe him in the bestest shampoos and things that we had home. He used to take out मम्मी की best चादर रजाई new वाली, wrap them in it, pet them the whole day, and in the night when my dad used to come, he used to bash him that why have you got another dog? बाहर
Oh my god.
निकालो. And then
Oh my god.
like, every day we had the same circle. He used to keep
I think
getting
I would get I think I would get along well with your brother. And you of course, but yeah, with your brother too.
Okay. अपने बचपन की एक ऐसी लाइन जो आप बहुत ज्यादा बोलते थे. When you were small, you might be there might be some line जो आप बहुत बोलते होगे ना.
Yes, I used to say how dare you a lot because Karishma Kapoor used to say it in her movies. I used to be like, how dare you? This is what I used to do. Huh. And
Okay.
then yeah, I used to keep saying that. And I used to also be a huge Pooja Bhatt fan because of Dil Hai Ki Manta Nahi. And in Dil Hai Ki Manta Nahi, she wanted to jump off and kill herself and I don't know what all. So this tiny little me used to keep saying, कि, मैं मर जाऊंगी, मैं कूद जाऊंगी. I used to keep telling my parents all of these silly things. So yeah,
Okay.
but how dare you was the one. How
Okay.
dare you?
When you were young, which was your favorite hairstyle? Like your go-to hairstyle.
So they used to call me Khajur ka ped when I was very young because I had like very tiny hair and my mother used to make that fountain
Yeah.
na. So then everybody used to call me Khajur ka ped. So that was not my go-to hairstyle. That was my mother's go-to hairstyle for me.
Okay.
So
Which
that was
was
the
that
one.
dress of yours from the childhood, maybe the teenage days, जो आपने longest अपने साथ रखी है? Favorite dress होती है ना एक.
Childhood, I don't think I have anything,
मतलब जो
unfortunately.
longest रखी होगी.
जो लॉन्गेस्ट मैंने एक चीज रखी है, एक टॉप रखा है, was from my Terrence's company days when I was in Terrence's company.
Yeah.
हमारा graduation piece हुआ था, उसमें I was wearing this shirt, which was given to me by my friend Shampa, choreographer Shampa,
Yes.
and I still have it. That is, I think, something which I've kept like for the longest time. Yeah, that I haven't ever given away because that was my performance for my graduation. Yeah.
Wow. Okay. Last
Dance graduation.
I have the last thing for you that is called these are invisible shot glasses जिसमें हमारे पास truth serum है.
Okay.
Yes. So ये truth serum जो
Alright.
है तो ये हमारे पास वैसे देखने में तो 2 दिखाई दे रहे हैं लेकिन ये ideally 3 है. तो 2 जो
Okay.
है फैंस चाहते हैं कि आप एक ट्रूथ सिरम मौसीन और शिवांगी को दें और उनसे एक फनी क्वेश्चन पूछें जिनका वो
Okay.
जवाब देना या ना देना चाहे उनकी चॉइस है. और एक सवाल वो चाहते हैं कि आप जिससे भी पूछना चाहें वो एक ट्रूथ सिरम देकर उनसे वो सवाल पूछें.
Okay. What? I'm very confused about this.
Okay. So
मैं
you have to
शिवांगी
get-
और मौसम तो है ही नहीं यहाँ पे.
यहाँ नहीं है, but then it's like a invisible short serum, no? Here, it's just that you are asking them a question in a fun manner.
Okay.
One question that they have to answer if they had to in the true manner. झूठ नहीं बोल सकते हैं। और ये क्वेश्चन जिसको भी आप पूछना चाहती हैं, आप बताइए आप किसको देना चाहेंगी ये ट्रूथ सिरप? मे बी योर हस्बैंड, उनको देना चाहेंगी? कोई सवाल है जो उनसे खुलासा सवाल है?
No, so first I'll ask like
Matishan.
yeah, first I'll ask them. Okay, so both of them are separate people, na? So who do I ask?
Yes, individual.
Okay. Okay, fine. Okay, so I'm giving a truth serum to a shot to Mohsin, and I'm asking him, "Hey, Mohsin, when you getting married?"
Okay, that's a good one. Okay, we all want that one. Now Shivangi.
Okay. Shivangi, what do I ask her? Truth serum to Shivangi, short to Shivangi would be girl. How do I say? Okay, tell me who's your best friend on set? Chalo, now that like I'm not there. Huh.
Well, you know what? When we are Shivangi now, her question was कि मैं दादी को ट्रूथ सीरम देना चाहती हूँ और कहना चाहती हूँ कि आप मौसीन और शिवांगी में से ज्यादा किसको प्यार करती हैं?
Oh my God. Okay, see, she would put people in a tricky situation. So I've also given a tricky question. Who's your best friend on set?
Perfect. लास्ट वाला किसको देना चाहेंगी अपनी चॉइस से?
अपनी चॉइस से?
तो मैंने आपको चॉइसेस दी थी, तो आप किसको देना चाहेंगी लास्ट वाला?
Okay, wait, hold on. Okay, fine. I'm gonna choose somebody from Rishta only.
Okay.
Okay. And I want to give it to Naksh, basically Shehzad, right now. I want to give it to Naksh and ask him, does he know कि कीर्ति कहाँ गई? And can you tell me?
That's a
because I also want to know.
I would say that's a good question. In the end,
and I wanted to ask him.
In the end, Moina fans सिर्फ जानना चाहते हैं that any possibility in any way of you returning back to TV, web, or any platform for that matter?
So as of now, I would say web तो पे मैं हूँ. I'm on YouTube.
No,
and
not the vlog,
I'm trying to
web series or something to me.
As of now, no. I'm sorry to break your hearts, guys, but I'm trying my best to be around on YouTube, and I think that's the way that I can be around as of now. And in the future, I really don't know, but as of now, that's what it is.
Well, thank you so much. It was a pleasure. I didn't even realize when the time just flew away, and we.
Oh yes, it did.
Parting message for your Remorov के fans, your fans, ये रिश्ता वाले fans, सब fans के लिए.
Mohina vlog fans.
Mohina vlog fans. कि कोई proper message कुछ है उनके लिए?
Because Remorov is not mine anymore, unfortunately.
Yes, I know. Yes.
Yes. So yeah. So thank you so much, guys, for so many of y'all to join in. That's really really nice of you guys. And I must say, abhi mere 8 years complete हुए industry में, and you guys have given me so much love. Like all the fans, all of you guys, each and every one of you. I'm not gonna mention fan clubs because there's so many, and if I miss out a few, everyone gets upset. So when I say all, I mean all. Okay, thank you for all the love, for all the support. Thank you for asking me new questions every day, and also thank you for sticking around for so many years and sticking around even after my wedding, when I'm not even in the industry anymore. That just makes my heart melt. And I hope that even after my marriage, when I'm not out there so much, and when I'm really trying my best on YouTube, you guys are still there for me. And lots of love to everyone. And thank you so much.
Thank you so much. और एक fans की request थी. They are wanting you to come live with Mohsin separately, then Shivangi separately, then ये रिश्ता की cast के साथ वो चाहते हैं कि आप आएं live, so that they get to relive those memories जो आपने शायद set पे उनके साथ बनाई हैं.
Sure, I will try to do that.
Thank you so much,
I've already
Mohina.
come live with Shivangi.
Yes, I saw that. I saw that.
I've already come with her. Mohsin, I think, is very busy these days. That's a taunt.
And he's in a very bad
And
network, by the way. Unfortunately.
sorry.
मैं कह रही हूँ, he's unfortunately into a very bad network zone. He's trying his best to come जितना live वो आ सके, but unfortunately the network is not helping him out.
Oh, that's
Yeah.
sad. Okay, so with Gaurav, though, I'll come. And with anybody else like Shilpa or Dadi or Ali, I'll try to do this, or Shehzad, I'll try to do this as soon as possible. Since you guys have asked me, I'll try and figure something out. Thank you for the request.
Thank you so much, Mohina, and I hope that I soon get to meet you again as soon as the lockdown is done and dusted.
Yes, thank you. Thank you so much.
Stay safe
Bye.
and good luck for the future, Mohina. Bye-bye. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye. Lots of love to everyone. Bye-bye.
Well, that was Mohina Kumari Singh for you guys, and I indeed enjoyed today's segment completely with her. Be the walk down the memory lane, be answering so many questions about her industry, ka full journey out here. Well, you saw that she did talk a little about Remora, but not that much because now they are no longer together. Now it is not Remora Vlogs, it's Mohina Vlogs. So I hope you guys are gonna support her in that also. Well, this is the end of the live session, and this is me, Vishakha Pandit, signing off for now. I'll see you soon for the next live session, and you can watch this live session on our Instagram, and soon you can watch it on our YouTube channel also, telechakkar.com. Thank you so much.